Welcome to an in-depth explanation of how vaccines work, a critical component of modern medicine. Vaccines are one of the greatest public health achievements, preventing millions of deaths and drastically reducing the spread of infectious diseases. But how exactly do they provide protection? At its core, a vaccine is a biological preparation that safely introduces components of a pathogen, like a virus or bacteria, to stimulate an immune response. The primary goal of any vaccine is simple: to train your immune system to recognize and fight off a specific pathogen without causing the actual disease. To understand vaccines, we first need to appreciate our body's defense mechanism, the immune system. It's a complex network of cells and organs dedicated to protecting us. When a foreign invader, or pathogen, enters the body, the immune system rapidly detects it, launches an attack to destroy it, and clears the infection. Crucially, the immune system also retains a, quote, memory of the pathogen. This memory is key to preventing future illness from the same threat. Vaccines introduce what are called antigens, molecules found on the surface of the pathogen to mimic a natural infection. These antigens can come in different forms: a weakened or inactivated virus, a piece of the virus's surface protein, or even the genetic instructions for making that protein. Once injected, the components of the vaccine are recognized as foreign by immune cells, which then present these antigens to other specialized immune cells. This presentation kicks off the primary immune response, the body's first practice run at fighting the real disease. Specialized T cells and B cells are activated upon recognizing the antigen. T cells coordinate the attack, while B cells are responsible for mass production of defense proteins. B cells rapidly mature into plasma cells, which become antibody factories, churning out millions of Y-shaped antibodies specifically tailored to neutralize the pathogen's antigen. As the body successfully clears the vaccine components, the primary response winds down, but the most important part remains: immune memory. Some of those specialized T cells and B cells become long-lasting memory cells. Think of them as the immune system's historical record and ready reserve force. If the real pathogen ever invades, these memory cells instantly recognize the threat and launch a massive, accelerated secondary response, destroying the infection before you even get sick. In short, a vaccine is a safe, controlled way to teach your body to become immune, ensuring long-term protection. It introduces an antigen, triggers a safe immune response, generates antibodies, and creates memory cells for swift future defense. Vaccination protects not only you, but also your community. Thank you for learning about this vital topic.